Today I will be cooking sweetened banana 5 minutes in the microwave. If you have overripe banana like this one, do not throw it away. This is perfect for this recipe. I have 3 bananas over here, and you can add more. It depends on how big is your bowl. And then we're gonna cut them into bite pieces. And we're gonna add it to the bowl. So this is how it looks like. 3 bananas is perfect for the size of my bowl. And we're gonna go ahead and add our 1/2 tablespoon of vanilla. And then we're gonna go ahead and add our 1 1/2 tablespoon of vegetable spread. And brown sugar, 1 1/2 tablespoon of brown sugar. 1/8 teaspoon of kosher salt. We have 3/4 cup of water and 1/8 teaspoon of cornstarch. We're gonna mix it. And then we're gonna add it to our bowl, okay? And that's how it looks like. Then we're gonna mix it a little bit. Looking like that. Then we're gonna microwave this for 5 minutes uncovered. 5 minutes is up. Ooh, it's hot, so we're gonna get something. This is how it looks like. You guys very careful when taking this out from the microwave because it is extremely hot. So this is done, and you can add some cinnamon. This is totally optional if you want, okay? Five minutes in the microwave. Let's eat. My favorite part. Smell good. Guys, this is good, and it's very quick. 5 minutes. Hot. Smoking hot. It's good. I hope you learned something in this video. Thank you for watching. I love you guys.